Hi, my name's Alex Hughes. I have travelled from Knighton, so that's about an hour and a quarter.
Hi, my name's Alex Walters. I came from Kidderminster, which is about 96 miles away from Aberystwyth.
Hannah Galvin, and I've travelled 2 hours to get here.
Silas, and I've come from Scotland today, despite the English accent.
Surinya Hill, and I have travelled from Cardiff.
Danielle Rube, and I'm travelling from London.
My name is Santer and I came here from Sweden.
Sweden? Wow.
Hi, I'm Chris Dale. I've travelled from Shrewsbury in Shropshire, so a couple of hours down the road, to sit the entrance exams here at Aberystwyth.
I wanted to come down to the coast anyway, as close as I could to the sea, because I want to do marine or freshwater biology. Yeah. And Aberystwyth was top on the Google search. It's obviously fourth in the UK at the minute, so I had a little explore, and it seemed like a really, really nice place to be.
I really like the look of the history course, and its satisfaction rates are amazing. And I'd like to go to Welsh University to begin with, and it's got the best satisfaction rates in Wales, so I mean, it's the right choice.
Well, I visited the admissions day for the International Politics department, and I was just completely enthralled. The professors who were speaking were really engaging, and I just thought I have to come here.
On my various visits, I found this university to be by far the most welcoming. I found all of the staff and the students we spoke to be very enthusiastic and positive about the university, and it's just got a really good feel to the place.
I chose Aberystwyth because, well, first of all, for me it's much cheaper here than in the UK, as I wanted to study in an English-speaking country, since I'm going to study international politics, and I really want to do it in an international environment. And also just to challenge myself, live in another country.
I love the place. Like, I love how close it is to the sea, and just a beautiful place to live, really. I've chosen it because it offers one of the best satisfaction rates, and also because it's one of the best in the course I wish to pursue.
I have done history, British Isles, and I have done politics, and I found both of the exams to be really interesting, and have allowed me to really discuss the topics that I'm interested in with quite open questions. So I think they've gone well. Fingers crossed for a good result.
The creative writing went well. I've just done, because I finished early, which is always a good sign, but I think the history exam wasn't what I expected it to be.
I think I did well. I think I did okay today, yeah.
Better than I expected. I wasn't very confident when I walked in this morning, but after sitting down and seeing the questions, it wasn't too bad, so I think I did alright.
I was quite confident with some of the concepts, especially in the psychology paper, but social science was a bit different for me, so excited to see how that went.
I think it's gone okay. I think it's gone alright. I've managed to write quite a few pages, so I'm hoping that it's not just quantity and there is a bit of quality in there as well.
I'm quite hopeful. I think I did pretty well in the creative writing one. Not quite as sure about the maths one, but we'll have to see. So I hope to see the university in September.